Welcome back. Gustav went here and we've been waiting to do this. Welcome to Go with Gustav. My name's Chris.
And I'm Rachel.
This is Sprocket.
And this is Tassie. Come and join us on our adventures.
But don't forget to like
and subscribe
and hit the notification bell. Well, good morning. It's a lovely bright February morning, and today we've got two things to do with Gustav. This afternoon we're going to have him named, so he's going to have his name put on the sides of the van by Spire Graphics. I'm hoping to do a quick video of that. It might be a time lapse, but this morning I'm going to fill up with LPG gas for our gas load system. I've not used this place before. This is Callow Oils, I think they're called, in Stourport. So we'll be arriving in Stourport shortly. I've used the LPG app on my phone to find the sort of nearest and cheapest, but then you have to weigh up if it's worth driving to get the cheapest ones. They tend to be around Dudley and Wolverhampton at the moment. I normally fill up in Bromsgrove at the BP station, but I've recently found this one, so we'll see. This is the sort of one where they fill it up for you. It's like in the olden days when they used to fill your car up for you. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film it, but I might ask if I can just film them filling the tank. I'm not sure if it'll be the same system. Oh, I assume so, but we'll see. So when we bought Gustav, one of the first things I wanted to add was a gas load system, as filling up this way tends to be much cheaper. I think it's about a third of the price than buying Callow gas. For the last 30 years we've been caravanning, and we've always used BP gas with the plastic bottles, particularly because they were lightweight. I know BP, Callow gas brought out some lightweight ones, but BP were the first, I think, and they're meant to be safer in case of crashes. We've got metal flying around. But because we had a 5-berth caravan with three children, we wanted to be as lightweight as possible, so we had the plastic gas bottles, and they're still readily available because they're used for patio gas. But when we go to Europe later on in the summer, I gather LPG is just everywhere, very easy to get. Still fairly easy at the moment. I've not had a problem getting the gas so far in this country, but I know a lot of places are closing down, particularly the Morrisons. I think Morrisons have just been bought out, their petrol stations where they normally have the LPG. Not that we've ever used those. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is Stourport, and we're by Hartlebury Common on our left. We're now turning in to the industrial estate. Let's just hope we can find it. I did ring them up this morning to check this was okay, that they did this in the time filling the motorhome, and to check that we didn't need to make an appointment, which they said we didn't, and it's car payment. So they are sort of expecting me, because I said I'd be over in about an hour. Caravan park there, but I think I've got to go round to the left. That says Marina. Right, here we go. Callow Oils. In-gate. See what happens. that's basically the same system all places. Is that you stick it in and just twist it?
Yeah, exactly that, yeah. To go abroad, you have the different adapters for it.
Yeah, I bought the adapters. I just haven't got. I filled it out once before Bromsgrove, big heat station.
Yeah.
The Yorkshire. And there's on the. That was painless. Well, that was a very fast, efficient, pleasant service from Callow Oils. Very friendly. Our friend didn't really want to be. He didn't mind me filming, but he didn't really want to be on the video. But he did say he's going to look at the channel. So hi, if you're watching the channel. I did say it's a small channel. We are just starting out. Give us a like if you're watching. Give us a like, it will help, and subscribe, because we need all the help we can get. But I was just saying, it didn't take very much. It took 6 litres, which was £5, because the needle, it's very difficult to read. The needle was sort of showing, I thought it was showing about a third full. So we'll have a look when we get home to see where that is. But the other thing I was going to say is, if you watched our video that was out last week, going to Wales and Brecon Beacons, and we had the awful scratching down the side of the van and on the roof, which is like someone with their claws on a chalkboard, a blackboard at school. It was a horrific sound, which we had to do twice because we had to turn around and come back. If you've not seen that video, it's probably worth watching that one. It's in the middle of the video. I'm pleased to report we've had a look around, we can't see any scratches whatsoever. Now, whether we're just lucky or whether it's because we've got a ceramic coating on Gustav. The ceramic coating is brilliant. It means it's really easy to clean the van when we come to do that, but it has a slightly slippery surface, and I just wondered if that helped brushing those trigs away and not scratching. A little bit of protection on it anyway. So to say, if you've not seen that video, go check that one out. Let's just have a look. Gauge. Right, back on full, which is brilliant. So we filled up with gas, and now we're on our way to see Matthew at Spire Graphics in Bromsgrove to have Gustav's name put on the side of the motor. If you turn it around.